Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting lesson. In this lesson, we want to solve this exponential expression, this Math Olympiad.
But before we dive into the lesson, let me quickly show you something shocking from my YouTube analytics. 97.9% of people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Imagine if everyone clicked that subscribe button. We'd be unstoppable. Be part of the 2.1% that actually support the channel. That means you are the difference. If you enjoy these lessons and want me to keep creating more, hit the subscribe button and join our growing family of learners. Let's flip that 2% into 20% together. Subscribe now and let's grow together. Let's get back to the video.
Solution. So from our question, we have 2 to the power of x squared minus 3x multiplied by 3 to the power of 2x minus 4 equal to 6 to the power of x. Now, let's simplify the right hand side. So we have this to be equal to x 2 to the power of x squared minus 3x multiplied by 3 to the power of 2x minus 4 equal to 2 multiplied by 3 all into bracket to the power of x. Now here what we do next is to have 2 to the power of x squared minus 3x multiplied by 3 to the power of 2x minus 4 equal to 2 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x. So now let's divide both sides by what we have at the right hand side. So this will give us over 2 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x over 2 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of x. So this we cancel out with this, and this will be given as 2 to the power of x squared minus 3x, then 3 to the power of 2x minus 4 over 2 to the power of x, then 3 to the power of x, everything equal to 1. Now here we put this in this form: 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x squared minus 3x over 2 to the power of x, then multiply by 3 to the power of 2x minus 4 over 3 to the power of x equal to 1. Now here this can now be informed. So this power, this exponent, we subtract this. So we have 2 to the power of x squared minus 3x, then minus x multiplied by 3 to the power of 2x minus 4, then minus x, everything equal to 1. So here this will give us 2 to the power of x squared, then minus 4x minus 4x multiplied by 3 to the power of x minus 4 equal to 1. So here, take the log. We have log of the whole of this expression at the left hand side, 2 to the power of x squared minus 4x, then multiplied by 3 to the power of x minus 4 equal to log 1. Then we can write this as log of 2 to the power of x squared minus 4x, then plus log of 3 to the power of x minus 4 equal to log 1 will give us 0. And we can bring the whole of this down to the base. So we have x squared minus 4x. Then we have log of 2 plus this comes down x minus 4 log of 3 all equal to 0. So here we can factor out x into bracket x minus 4 log of 2 plus x minus 4, okay, log of 3 equal to 0. So this is common to both sides, minus 4x minus 4x. Let's bring that out. So we have x minus 4 into brackets, and we have x log of 2 plus log of 3 into bracket, everything equal to 0. So in this case, this will be equal to 0, that is x minus 4 will be equal to 0. It implies that x equal to 4. Likewise, x log 2 plus log 3 equal to 0. So we'll move this to the right hand side. We have x log 2 then equal to minus log 3. Let's divide both sides by log 2. We have x will now be equal to minus log 3 over log 2. Okay, and x here will be equal to minus log base 2 3 as the second value of x. Okay, so we have x equal to 4, then x equal to log minus log base 2 3. So another way to approach this is from the step where we have 2 to the power of x squared minus 4x multiplied by 3 to the power of x minus 4 equal to 1. So here we can now approach this as 2 to the power of x, we factor s out into bracket x minus 4 multiplied by 3 to the power of x minus 4 equal to 1. Now this can be written as 2 to the power of x into bracket x minus 4 then multiply by x then multiply by 3 to the power of x minus 4 equal to 1. So both has the power of x minus 4. So we can now write that as 2 to the power of x multiplied by 3 in bracket. Then we have x minus 4 equal to 1. Now let's consider the base to be a. Okay, let's consider the base, this side of it, to be a. So it implies that a will be to the power of x minus 4, and that will be equal to 1. So this means that a to the power of x minus 4 can be written as a to the power of 0. So here x minus 4 equal to 0, and that will be equal to x equal to 4. From the second method, x equal to 4. So let's consider the base this time around, which is going to be case 2. This we have solved is the case 1. So case 2, the base, which is what, 2 to the power of x multiplied by 3, is equal to 1. Okay, this is what we are going to consider here. So now we have this to be 2 to the power of x multiplied by 3 equal to 1. Let's divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Okay, this comes out with this, and we are left with 2 to the power of x equal to 1 over 3, which can be written as 3 to the power of minus 1. Okay, having gotten this, we can now apply log to both sides. So we have log of 2 to the power of x equal to log of 3 to the power of minus 1. So let's bring the power, the exponent, bound to the base. So we have x log 2 equal to minus 1 log 3. So minus 1, okay, minus 1 log 3, if we multiply together, will give us minus log 3. Then we divide both sides by log 2. So we have divide by log 2, divide by log 2. So we are left with x equal to minus log 3 over log 2, which is equal to minus log base 2 3. It implies that x equal to minus log base 2 3 for the second method. Now let's verify this value of x. So let's verify the value of x from our earlier question. So f is given by at x equal to 4. Okay, and this implies 2 to the power of 4 squared minus 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 4, then minus 4 equals to 3 equal to 6 to the power of 4. So this will give us 2 to the power of 16 minus 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12, then 3, this will give us 8 minus 4 equal to 6 to the power of 4. So this, subtract this, we have to the power of 4, then multiply by 8, subtract 4, we have 3 to the power of 4, so which is equal to 6 to the power of 4. So we can write this as 2 multiplied by 3, then to the power of 4 equal to 6 to the power of 4. So if we multiply this, we have 6 to the power of 4, which is equal to 6 to the power of 4. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay, now this is for what, at x equal to 4. So at x equal to minus log, at x equal to minus log base 2 3 is going to be your test in this lesson. Verify the value of x for minus log base 2 3. Verify it. Comment your experience for verifying the value of x. Comment your opinion of the verification of this value in the comment section. Put your comments in the comment section, and like this video if you enjoy it, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll meet in the next interesting lesson. Bye for now. Don't forget all the tips. Make sure you master each and every steps, as they are all important and will help you